Hi, it's Mary Jane here from Home for the Harvest, and today I wanted to show you this little bird bath fountain that I just got. So I'd seen this kind of fountain in a few different YouTube videos, and I was really happy to finally order it. I ordered it a couple months ago online. I wasn't able to find it locally, and I think that's probably pretty common from what I've seen online, is that it's definitely something that is ordered online and it's not so much available in the garden centers. The ones that I did see in the garden centers are more like a separate panel, and I just kind of didn't want like a cord to be going out of the bird bath. There is a little cord on the underside of it, but it's all self-contained. So I ordered mine from Inspire Uplift, but they have them on Amazon and lots of other places online. It did take a few weeks to come. Pretty much all I had to do to get it put together was take off the little protective film, like the plastic film, and then pop on one of the nozzles. The bigger nozzles have like a flared piece that has to go on first, but there's a little nozzle too that can just go on just by itself. Without the flared piece. So here it is, the very first time I used it. So it's never been used before. I literally just walked out of the house and put it in the bird bath. And so if you just throw it in like this, there's still a lot of air. You can see the air and it's having trouble, obviously. I just submerged it a little bit and that helped. So this one doesn't have a battery, there's no cords, there's none of that stuff. But there are a few maintenance things, of course. Number one is obviously it needs water. So you got to keep the water level high enough in the bird bath, keep it full of clean water. I also keep the bird bath clean. I clean it every 2 days whenever I clean my hummingbird feeders. That's when I do. So when it's hot out, I'm doing the hummingbird feeders every 2 days and the bird bath every 2 days. In my area, that seems to work. And then what I do with the fountain is I just give a quick wipe to the solar panels. I make sure the pump area is clean, the little nozzle thingies, and the pump has like a little foamy, spongy filter. So I just pull that out and give that a little bit of a clean and pop it back in. And then you can put the pump fixture back in. It has a little clip to keep everything all organized. So you can see there is a cord back there. So it's not like totally cordless. There's a cord, but it's not like an exposed cord or a cord that's going to go outside of the bird bath area. It's part of the floating disc. It's all self-contained. So that's my new little bird bath fountain. I'm really happy with it. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and I will see you in the next video.